Welcome to the Chan Travel Channel. Today, we will explore a waterfall with a name that sounds eerie, Phi Waterfall, which means, the trap for catching souls. Let's see if this place is truly as frightening as its name suggests. Now, let's find out together. Laos, known as the land of a million elephants, Laos is located at the intersection of the two greatest and most powerful civilizations in Asia, India and China. Lao people have absorbed customs and beliefs of those two civilizations to form a unique culture of its own. The first impression of this country is peace and quiet. Villages lie peacefully along the road. The houses here are small, low, and made entirely of wood harvested from primary forests. Along the way, forests, fields, and lakes stretch to the ends of the sky. Although landlocked, the Mekong River carries a heavy load of alluvium, which has enriched Laos with fertile plains. The last days of the year are really enjoyable, the air is cool, the sky is blue. Phi Don is a special archipelago, stretching across a section of the Mekong River in Champasak province. This place is still wild and sparsely populated, with almost no modern tourist services, only a few riverside motels and small eateries of indigenous people. The Phi Don archipelago includes a large number of islands of different shapes and sizes, large and small, on the Mekong River. The land of 4,000 islands also includes Khon Phapang, the largest waterfall in Southeast Asia. The best time to go to Phi Don is from November to March next year. This is the time when the weather is pleasant, dry, and there is little rain, so it is convenient for traveling. If you come here in the months of March, April, May, even though the temperature is higher, you will experience the feeling of bathing in the river. The remaining months are rainy months, water levels in rivers and lakes rise, you will have the opportunity to admire spectacular and majestic waterfalls. And one special thing is that below the Khon waterfall there is a population of about 50 Irrawaddy dolphins, a type of freshwater dolphin in danger of extinction. This place is famous for many majestic and poetic waterfalls such as Khon Phapang Waterfall, known as the largest Little Niagara in Southeast Asia. Or Tad Yuang Waterfall, one of the most spectacular waterfalls in Laos. But perhaps the waterfall that impressed me the most is Phi Waterfall. To explore the majestic beauty of Liphi Falls, we will first travel to Don Con Island, a beautiful island located in the heart of the Mekong River. This journey is not only exciting but also very convenient. In addition to traveling by road, you will experience the feeling of drifting on the river by boat. The ticket price is extremely reasonable, only 150,000 kip for a group of 1 to 4 people, and if the group is larger, from 5 people and up, each person only pays 30,000 kip. A small note, the boat service operates only from 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., so please plan your time wisely to not miss this impressive nature exploration journey. Before coming to the majestic Liphi, let's enjoy the peaceful scenery on both sides of the Mekong River. The first impression is probably the name Liphi in Lao language, which means ghost trap. Legend has it that the souls of demons and demons will be retained by this waterfall. When you set foot at Phi Waterfall, you will be surprised and somewhat scared by its strength and majesty, with a width of 10 kilometers and a height of 21 to 23 m. Coming to Liphi, we will experience two main activities: zipline skiing with a ticket price of 590,000 kip, equivalent to $25 per person, and taking the suspension bridge across the Mekong River for 200,000 kip, equivalent to $10 per person. People. To get to the place where you can see Phi Waterfall, you have to cross 5 suspension bridges with lengths of 89 m, 92 m, 30 m, 20 m and 30 m respectively. The suspension bridge is made very solidly with metal plates, with very sturdy protective mesh fences on both sides. But for someone like me who is afraid of heights, walking on the swaying bridge also made my heart slow down a beat. With this experience, you will walk very close to the rushing water and will have the feeling that the water will sweep away the entire bridge and us at any time. It takes a lot of courage to complete the journey on these bridges. Now comes the interesting and equally adventurous part of today's Liphi discovery video, which is ziplining. Before participating, all visitors are carefully equipped with protective gear and receive detailed instructions to ensure absolute safety. This zipline journey has 4 slides with lengths of 130 m, 90 m, 40 m respectively, and the peak is a 180 m long slide. Each section of the road will take you through many levels of emotions, from nervousness, fear to extreme excitement. Join me on the cable car, take a deep breath and dive into the zipline journey through the beautiful scenery of Liphi. The first slide is here. The height is quite high and a bit dangerous, making the heart pound from the first second. Coming to the second slide, perhaps the most interesting part, where the fast-flowing water creates rolling waves, as if they could sweep us away at any moment. Then we will continue to the third paragraph. Although it is the shortest, it is no less attractive. And finally, the longest zipline appeared. Here, you will have the opportunity to see the entire majestic, somewhat terrifying scene of Trap Ma Waterfall, an experience not to be missed. After thrilling moments, if you are someone who likes peace, try cycling around the village on Don Kon Island in the morning. A gentle but poetic journey. Nestled in the peaceful scenery of Don Cone Island, there is a very different and special villa. This is a French-style villa, built in 1896, with a classic feature that is rare to find anywhere else. This house used to be where officials came to visit, rest and supervise the construction of the train tracks and the bridge connecting Don Cone to Don Detective. With ancient French architecture blended in the peaceful scenery of the Southeast Asian countryside, this villa feels like taking us back in time, to a period full of historical significance. Ending today's journey with many interesting things, right? Don't forget to leave comments and share your favorite destinations. Who knows, it might be a stop in our next video.